Hi, welcome to the e-create ebooks effortlessly using free tools. I remain Grace-bassey Linus. Okay, in this particular video, I will be showing you how to use Google Docs to format your ebooks. What does it mean to format your ebook? Format simply means the layout of your book, and then also considers your choice of text, how your words appear, how they are spaced between each other. Okay, it also considers paragraphing and the overall look and feel of your book. So when you pick up an ebook and you open it, and then you're like, wow, okay, so that's a book well formatted, because formatting goes beyond just putting your text together, but also considers how the reader, how the book appeals to the aesthetics of the reader. How do you feel reading the book? Do you want to read the book to the end, or the mere opening of the book puts you off? Okay, so what formatting does is to ensure that the overall look of the book is appealing to readers. Alright, so I'm going to start the lesson about now. But if you don't have Google Docs already installed on your phone, please head on to Google Play Store and search for Google Docs. You will see this particular icon. Click on it and you will have it downloaded. What you need to start using it is your Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, please create one. It will take you up to 10 minutes to have a Gmail account. So go to Google, search for Gmail sign up, and just sign up. Alright, so let's go ahead to what we have for today. So for today, I will be showing you how to use a special feature of Google Docs. And our feature is page setup. It's the first thing you need to do in formatting your book. Okay, especially if it is a print version. You could always overlook this for ebooks, but the best thing to do is to choose your page layout first before you start doing any other formatting business on your manuscript. So I will launch the app right away. I'm going to use this particular file. Click on it to launch it. So it is launched. So I'm assuming this is your manuscript. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to choose your page layout. And how do you get that done? Look at the top right hand corner of the screen. Can you see 3 dots? Oh yes, you have. So click on it. You can see different options, but what we are interested in is the page setup. So we click on page setup. You can see different options. Pageless. You want your book to have a page, you click on that option. Okay, we want our book to have pages, so we don't choose that particular option. Next to pageless is orientation. There are 2 types of orientation. You have the portrait and the landscape. Okay, we're going to see how each appears in a document when applied. This is already in portrait. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is portrait. Alright, Now let's go back to landscape and see how it looks like on our document when applied. Landscape. So go back. So how do you know this is landscape? You will know by switching to print layout. Okay, so this is print layout. The initial version I was on is the mobile version. Okay, so this is a print layout. So you might not notice a difference. So the only way you will notice a difference is to switch to the print layout. Okay, so can you see this? Can you see this? So this is landscape. Now let me go back and choose portrait for you to notice the difference. Orientation, portrait, back. Okay, so can you see? Look at the distance between this line and this line and this line. So imagine you are holding your A4 paper, for instance. Okay, so that position, that vertical position, okay, is portrait. All right, let's switch back to landscape. So can you see the difference? Okay, but we don't need this for a simple ebook, or for the ebook we want to create, or that we want to create. So let's settle for portrait. We've done that. Okay, now the next is the paper size. There are different kinds of paper size on Google Docs. Okay, paper sizes are not limited to what we have here. This is only what is obtainable on Google Docs. Please get that. Now, the two most common paper sizes in the market, or that are readily used by book publishers, are the letter paper size, which is 8.5 inches by 11 inches, or the A4, which is 8.27 rather, by 11.67 inches. So I advise you go for any of the two for your ebook. Alright, but the case will be different if you are working towards printing your book, the print version. That is when you really get to decide the size of your book based on the volume of your work. Okay, we are not dealing with print books, so I will not delve into that. So let's just stay with ebooks. So choose A4 or 5.11, okay, which are the most commonly used ones, or you could explore any other ones. It's ebook. You're not planning to print it. Alright, so that is how to choose your paper size, and it is important the best way to start your ebook formatting is to decide and pick a paper size. Okay, you might not really feel the effect when you have done every other formatting on your text, on your manuscript, and then you apply the paper size much later. But if you're dealing with print books, that is books you're planning to print, then you must decide firsthand what your paper size should be. Okay, and the last for the page setup is the page color. Of course, for ebooks, okay, there are different colors you could use, but the normal, most commonly used color is white, which is because it's easier to read black text on a white white background, but you could experiment. That one, they are different. You have cream and the rest. Okay, but when you're formatting your book, your manuscript, the ultimate aim is to make sure that readers enjoy your book. They are not straining their eyes. They are not pissed off taking a look at your book. Okay, so it's good you play by conventional standards at the start of your self-publishing career. Okay, so go for white. You can go for cream. White or cream is okay. So that is how to get your page set up for your ebooks. So we're going to stop here in this particular video. Do you have any question? Is there anything that I made mention that is not clear enough? Please feel free to drop questions or comments, observations based on this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching the video. Do well to like the video and subscribe to the channel to have more of me, more of my videos shared with you. Thank you so much. I remain Grace-bassey Linus. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.